Have you ever had one of those days where you're up early after the first trade, you do really well, and you know you probably should stop, but you don't? That was Thursday, and that's why I ended up only $41. I was up almost 400 at one point and gave it all back. I could have been way worse too. You'll see in a second. It could have been way worse. So this video is about the biggest mistake I made this week and how you can avoid it. Now, we're streaming all week long on ASFX TV. A lot of you may know that. Some of you may not. We stream every single morning at market open. We also have 2 courses on ASFX TV that are available. This one, Futures 101, totally free. Still will teach you exactly how I trade with VWAP. Futures 2.0 is the deep dive. But if you're not signed up already, go to the link in the description, go to www.asfx.tv, use the code ASFX, I know, real original, when you sign up. That'll give you your first month for 50% off. So you can stream with us all week, all month. You can watch these courses and cancel at the end of the month if you don't love it. But I think you're going to love it. And that's why we are the fastest growing live stream in the world for futures day trading. So come join us. Now, my mistake. First, miss this. Look at this. If you study Futures 101 or 2.0 or both, you know either here at 9:50 or here at 10:01, especially the 10 o'clock candle start, because you know that 15-minute bar can carry, right? These are the entry prices. You wanted that 57.69. That was the price. My first idea was here. I didn't execute. Second idea was here. Didn't execute. Missed that whole move back into 5,800. That's 33 points. So that was a kick in the balls. But then I did something awesome, which I normally don't do. Extended away from New York VWAP very far. I take a short at 58.14. Remember that, 58.14. I close most of it here at 95, catch a nice 20 points, close more here, and then I get tapped out in profit there as it trails higher. Okay. We're trading back into previous day VWAP. That's this blue line, right? If you have our indicator, you know that. I'll link the indicator below as well. So here you can see we trade into that. We know we can bounce. So that's why I will be aggressive and take it. I don't need that full move back to VWAP, right? You're trading counter trend after a big move up. There could be buyers stepping in for sure today. Don't be aggressive. Okay. That's what I thought. Did well. Up on the day. Happy days. But then I decided to put on a long here on the break of high of day VWAP right there, which is a decent candle break. I put the long on. Stop is supposed to go right here. If that low is taken, we'll be under overnight VWAP. We may go lower. Excuse me, that's New York VWAP. I took this markup after the close. That's why that looks different. But that dotted line is New York VWAP. Long story short, I didn't have a stop loss in. I thought I did. I should have been taken out. I get off my meeting. I'm in the trade. It's down here. I'm like, oh, shit. Luckily, I wasn't in super heavy. So I decide to add in 2 micros here. I'm like, okay, now here we go. Let's see if we'll hold the bottom. I can't take too much drawdown because of the max daily loss on the straight to funded accounts with Tradeify. So I'm down like $600-700 in drawdown. I add another one here at 245. I'm hoping for some 3 o'clock liquidity. Thank God that's where we get it. And you can see my exit here. Full out at 65 for very small loss. End the day up. Thank God it bounced for me. Closing it right there on the way to that New York VWAP. I was not expecting it to break New York VWAP. I just needed something to make the loss smaller. And I fucking got it by the skin of my teeth. Not good trading. So what did I do wrong? Well, I wasn't focused enough to double check and make sure, hey, bro, you're getting on a meeting, a coaching call where I don't look at my charts when we're doing coaching calls. I'm looking at the trader's charts. I'm looking at his trades. So I have to double check. I can't go into a meeting without a stop loss. I should have been taken out of the trade right here. And that was it. Gave back some of the win and still been green on the day. So big mistake. How do you fix it? Stay focused. I always talk about focus. I think too many of you think this game is made on the chart. It's not. It's you, right? It really is. We see the same charts, yet some people make and some people lose. So the difference maker is clearly not on the charts. The indicators help. If you're using VWAP, you clearly know that, right? But here, this is just lack of focus, lack of care. You got to double check your work. I know some of you leave orders in that get filled sometimes. That's silly. That's sloppy. That's not professional. This was not professional. And I'm lucky that I didn't screw up my whole month with this, right? This account is so close to a payout. This adding in shit that I had to do here to scrape it out, that can get you burned, man, burned. So I never like to do that. Never like to do that, but I'll take it. Now you can see here, when you trade with Tradeify, I have a discount code for that. Use the code ASFX. That's linked down below as well. Link in my bio on socials. That'll save you like 35% across the board. Really good discount. You get access to this dashboard too, which is super cool because I can come into the trade log. I know some of you have seen, logged me out. Some of you have seen me share those graphics that I make, like it shows the P&L, that's where you get it. So when you get the Tradeify account, you get access to that trade log, you get access to their stuff, just like TradeZella. Very, very similar to TradeZella. So that's my lesson for you. Make sure you use the discount code ASFX at Tradeify, or if you sign up for ASFX TV, come stream with us. Check out the courses. Start trading with VWAP. I guarantee you'll love it. Go read my Trustpilot reviews. If you're watching this far in, go to trustpilot.com/ASFX. I'll show it to you right here. Go here. Check out the reviews. See for yourself. We're not 4.8 star for no reason. Okay. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next video, or I'll see you on stream tomorrow morning.